Hi, I'm Melvin L, creator and founder of Better Education Place. Now we're here to ask a couple of quick questions. First question, what are you buying your child for the holidays? Are you going to get them the same regular gift of just toys that they play with and by the end of the day, most of them are broken? Or maybe you could buy them a gift that could last the rest of their life. But before we talk about that gift, here's another question that was asked of hundreds of parents. And here's the common answer that most of those gave. They said, the question was, if you had it to do all over again, go back to being a child, what is the one thing you would do differently? Here's what most of them had to say. They said, I would work harder in school, I would do better in school, I would finish school, I would go to college, or I would finish college. Why are all these people talking about the same thing? They're talking about what? Education and finishing school. Why are they talking about that? Because it's a known fact that most people that finished college and became a professional, like a doctor or a lawyer, they had better lifestyles. They usually earn 5 to 6 figure incomes. That means that what they was doing as children was directly affected to what happened to them when they became adults. Here's another study you might be interested in. They followed hundreds of children from the first grade to the 12th grade, and they tested them at the end of first grade. And they found that if a child was a below average reader by the end of first grade, that child would remain a below average reader by the end of 12th grade, assuming they made it to the 12th grade. And those children who excelled by the end of first grade usually excelled by the end of 12th grade and maybe even went on to college. So that study revealed that if a child learns to read very early, it could literally change that child's life. And I'm also a bearer witness of this because I started teaching my daughter at the age of 1. By the time she was 4 years old, she could read pretty much anything, and they tested her at 4 years old and they put her in the 2nd grade. That means she skipped 3 grades. Now, imagine your child skipping 1 or 2 or even 3 grades. What is possible if you start teaching them how to read very early? And that's why we created Learn to Read with MC Antana. Now, we're giving away a free demo of Learn to Read with MC Antana. That means you can actually begin to teach your young child how to read at ages 2, 3, 4, 5. In fact, we have people who have testified that their child has actually learned to read in days. And all you have to do to get this free program is simply put your name and email in the box below, and then we will see you on the other side. And have a great day and have a great holiday.